All right. I'm in the process of getting two more. I'm getting the process of getting two more hummingbird feeders. Right now, they're all fighting over one. There are a gazillion of them. Hummingbirds. I gotta hurry. Bye.
To be or not to be, to free or not to free, to crawl or not to crawl. Screw all those perfect people. To sleep or not to sleep, creep or not to creep. And some can't remember what others recall. Screw all those perfect people. Sleepy eyes waltzing through. No, I'm not talking about you. To stand or not to stand, to plan or not to plan, to stall or not to stall. Screw all those perfect people. To drink or not to drink, to think or not to think.
Bill woman I love, his name Ramona.
Some choose
she
to
kinda looks like
dismember your rise.
She danced like a little Egypt. She works down to the snake farm. It just sounds nasty. Snake farm.
Sleepy
snake farm. It's a reptile house. Snake farm.
Well, I'm not talking about you.
Got a keen sense of humor. She got a tattoo down her arm. It's of a python eating a little mouse wearing a sailor hat that says Snake Farm.
To sing or not to
it
sing.
Just sounds nasty. Snake Farm. It pretty much is Snake Farm.
To
it's
swing or not to swing. Hell, he fills up the silence like a chalk on the wall. Screw all those perfect.
Ask Ramona how come she works there. She says, well, it's got its charm. There's nothing to do in the winter now.
To pray or not to pray.
Snake Farm. Snake Farm. It just sounds nasty. Snake Farm.
To sway or not to sway.
Snake Farm. It's a reptile house. Snake Farm.
Jesus died for something or nothing at all. Screw all those perfect people.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention something.
Sleepy eyes
This is a sing-along.
waltzing through. I'm not talking about
Sound nasty. Snake Farm. Pretty much is Snake Farm. It's a reptile house. Snake Farm. It ain't exactly kumbaya, but being the music fog, it ought to be perfect. Help me now, be on TV. Said Snake Farm. Just sounds nasty. Snake Farm. Pretty much is Snake Farm. It's a reptile house. Snake Farm.